Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can prevent your child from downloading games from Play Store. You need to click your account in Play Store, then click settings, and here you find an option of family. Below it there is an option of parental control. Simply click it on. It simply asks you to enter a strong pin so that your child cannot access adult content. Enter a strong pin here. Simply confirm it by re-entering it. Click apps and games. You need to restrict this list to the only first option. Click understood and click save. Then click this books option and check this option, restrict sexually explicit books. Click and understood and click save. As you can see, the parental control have been enabled. We will confirm it by clicking PUBG game. As you can see, there is a limit of parental control. Your child cannot download this game. We will also search for 18 plus content, 18 plus games. As you can see, there is no 18 plus game in this search list. By these simple steps, you can restrict your child from accessing adult content from Play Store. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to Tech Thunder.